Active and passive voice current patterns and correct usage. Let's begin exploring the concept of voice in English grammar. Voice tells us whether the subject performs the action or receives it. There are two types: active voice and passive voice. Choosing the right voice affects the focus, tone, and formality of your sentence. Let's understand when and how to use them correctly. What is voice in grammar? Let's understand what voice means in grammar. In active voice, the subject does the action. In passive voice, the subject receives the action. Voice changes how a sentence sounds and what it emphasizes. Mastering voice helps improve clarity and style in your writing. Structure of active voice. Let's look at how active voice is formed in a sentence. The structure is subject followed by verb and object. For example, the chef cooked the meal. Active voice is used in most daily conversations and writing. It is direct, strong, and easy to understand. Structure of passive voice. Let's now explore the structure of passive voice. The object comes first, followed by the form of be and past participle. For example, the meal was cooked by the chef. The focus shifts to the receiver of the action. Passive voice is common in formal, scientific, or indirect writing. Passive voice tense patterns. Let's examine how passive voice works across different tenses. Each tense follows its own structure using forms of be and the past participle. For example, present simple becomes is eaten and past perfect becomes have been eaten. Understanding these changes helps you form grammatically correct passive sentences. Tense awareness is key in using the passive voice properly. When to use passive voice. Let's learn when it is best to use the passive voice. Use it when the doer is unknown or not important, like the window was broken. Use it to focus on results, as in the decision has been made. It is often used in rules, instructions, and formal writing. Passive voice adds objectivity and neutrality to your tone. Slide 7. Common passive voice mistakes. Let's avoid some common errors in passive construction. Do not say the song sung by her, instead say the song was sung by her. Do not say the letter sent yesterday, say the letter was sent yesterday. Avoid is completed the work, say the work is completed. Correct passive usage improves clarity and professionalism. Practice helps you recognize and fix these errors easily. Modals in passive voice. Let's now use modals correctly in the passive voice. In active voice, you say you must follow the rules. In passive voice, you say the rules must be followed. The structure is modal plus be plus past participle. Examples include can be done, should be avoided, and might be accepted. This structure is common in instructions and formal guidelines. Passive voice in sentences. Let's compare full sentence examples in both voices. Active sentence, she is writing a book, becomes passive, a book is being written by her. Active sentence, they are building the bridge, becomes passive, the bridge is being built by them. These transformations help shift the focus from subject to action receiver. They are useful when the actor is unknown or unimportant. Use these patterns confidently in both speech and writing. Let's wrap up our session on active and passive voice. You have learned when and how to use each voice effectively. We also covered tense changes, modal verbs, and common errors. Keep practicing with real examples to build fluency and control. Thank you, and continue learning with us at hegsd.com.